The role I have at the moment is secretary. This is my 17th year in the role. I started volunteering with my own club in Clubán back in 1976 with the camogie club down there. We got married in '84, so I moved up to Borris. The club was formed here in '88 because there was 3 small clubs in the parish. They all joined into one as Mount Leinster Rangers. I was on the committee then in about 2000. We have 6 kids, 4 girls and 2 boys. And the 2 boys are playing hurling and football with Mount Leinster Rangers. Both of them have played with Carlow. The 4 girls played as well. On the playing field, we won a Leinster final in 2013. And that was an absolute highlight. We also had won the All-Ireland Intermediate final against Nafina of Armagh. Everything around it, that time, was absolutely brilliant in the parish. Off the playing field, the purchase of this field, this extra pitch here, was another massive day in the club. We had hurling, football, camogie, ladies football, adults, juveniles, all playing on one pitch. Little things like that, they may seem small, they may seem big to other people, but that's our take on it. It's a place where you come and you meet so many different people. I'm not a frequenter of the pubs and the bars. I don't drink and smoke. This is my voice. There's a club in every corner of Ireland and abroad, in a lot of places abroad as well, and it's all down to the amateurs. It's all down to the volunteers who do so much. At the end of the day, I can't volunteer here unless I have a good club to volunteer in.
Shagahunta Ghairfad, Gradam Laighean, Margaret Byrne.